The automotive world is on the cusp of a groundbreaking shift, and Tensor is aiming to lead the charge. While most companies have their eyes set on robotaxi services, Tensor has decided to take a bold new path, introducing the world's first fully autonomous Level 4 Robocar that you can actually buy and own. This futuristic creation, set for production in partnership with VinFast, is far more than just an electric luxury crossover. It's a glimpse into how personal transportation could look in the near future. From the outside, Tensor's Robocar has a presence that's hard to ignore. Its silhouette may remind some of a bloated Toyota Prius, but the design is far from ordinary. The front fascia houses a complex array of sensors and unique SignalScreens, digital displays that communicate with other road users through CarMoji, a new visual signaling system. The smooth body lines, aerodynamic wheels, and digital side mirrors help the vehicle achieve an impressive drag coefficient of 0.253. Entry is equally futuristic, thanks to coach-style rear doors and PalmRead technology, which grants access without keys or even a phone. Measuring 217.5 inches in length, 89 inches in width, and 78.3 inches in height, this is no compact crossover. Its generous dimensions outsize even the Tesla Model X, and it's packed with tech in every corner. Inside, the magic continues. The cabin can transform between fully autonomous mode and driver-operated mode, thanks to retractable pedals and a steering wheel that hides away until it's needed. When the wheel retracts, a display slides over for a seamless digital interface. Passengers are treated to dual rear entertainment screens, a front passenger display, heated and ventilated massaging seats, and a dazzling 128-color ambient lighting system. The upscale experience is wrapped in suede and fabric upholstery, complete with dual wireless smartphone chargers. But the real leap forward is Tensor's Agentic system, an onboard artificial intelligence that continuously processes input from cameras, microphones, and other sensors to carry out complex commands. Owners can give natural language instructions like, "Pick up mom from her house and bring her here," or "Drop me at the airport and then return home." And the car will handle the journey autonomously. The AI is designed with privacy in mind, storing all data locally, with physical switches to disable cameras and microphones if desired. Performance-wise, the Robocar is powered by a 112 kilowatt-hour battery pack with ultra-fast charging from 20% to 80% in just 10 minutes. It features four-wheel steering, air suspension, and an advanced sensor cleaning system that keeps its over 100 sensors clear of dirt and debris. These include 37 cameras, 5 LiDARs, 11 radars, 22 microphones, and even smoke and water level detectors, all feeding into an 8,000 TOPS onboard supercomputer. Its dual-system AI architecture mirrors human cognition. System 1 handles rapid reflexive decisions learned from expert drivers, while System 2 uses multimodal reasoning to handle rare and complex driving scenarios. This means confident navigation even in heavy rain or dense fog, supported by full redundancy in power, communication, and control systems. Production will take place at VinFast's Haiphong factory in Vietnam, with deliveries planned for the second half of 2026 in Europe, the United States, and the UAE. Tensor has even partnered with Marsh to create the world's first Robocar insurance policy, promising lower premiums thanks to the inherent safety of Level 4 autonomy. This is more than just a new car launch. It's the dawn of a new era in personal mobility. The question is, are drivers ready to let their cars truly take the wheel?